All right, everyone. So I was here a little bit ago and I just wanted to check on my sweet potatoes. And I actually pulled some out of this tote here. So I'm going to pull this tote out and see what we can come up with. My zinnias are like taking over here. We're going to break some of my zinnias out. So this is one bucket of my sweet potatoes here. Let's see what we can come up with. I don't want to pull out all of the things here because these are connected to other sweet potato plants in here. So I don't want to pull all the leaves out, just the ones that are actually in the ground. So this is where I pulled from earlier, and there's just a couple little things left on them, but we're going to dig down in. I probably could have let this one go a little bit longer because like there's baby ones there, but we're going to dig down in and see what we can get. So we got some here. Actually we'll put them on here. I was going to move my dirt over into that, but I think I'll wait. Look at that one. It's huge. You see that? It looks like a little duck. That is like the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen, I think. Maybe I didn't need to let them go longer. I got some little babies here. So I got some little ones that I can eat. I can do like baked sweet potatoes and stuff like that. Here's a little one. Like I said, I could have probably let these go a little bit longer, but this is my first time growing sweet potatoes, so I wanted to see what I can come up with. Get my hands down in here. See if I can dig up. Yeah, there's another, maybe a bigger one, little one there. Guess I should have done a microphone, but I didn't. I brought the tote out so I can dump into it, dump the dirt in. I know that I can get down to everything at the bottom. Yeah, there's a bunch of little ones here. I probably could have let go longer, but I got anxious. Oh, I'm sad. All the ones that I'm messing up that we'll be able to produce now. I wonder if I let them in the ground if they will continue to grow. Curious. Definitely more down in the bottom here, but the problem is I'd have to dump out the dirt to get to them. And I'm wondering, do I really want to do that? Or do I want to just let them continue to grow? I think I'm going to let them go. See if they will replant. Let's put these back into the ground. Maybe they'll pick up growing again. experiment time, huh? Bury it back down there. We'll see if it picks back up again. If not, I still got my money's worth out of that one with just these here. We will zoom in on those. That one is so huge. Let me pick it up here just to put it into perspective here. There you go. It's a big one. All right, so I got a little impatient, obviously, but I'm proud of this one. And then I've got some other decent sized ones that I could do something with. I'll eat a lot of these just, you know, cooking them for lunch or something like that whenever I'm working from home. So it's not a big deal, but this is like a whole meal.